Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching out a good nice drone on an ideal budget, then you definitely are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the drones considering the quality, sturdiness, call for, consumer rating, and order and many others. I hope you like my drone reviews and also you get the pleasant first-rate drone you need. You could request that the video be watched in full as the video is bigger. All the hyperlinks of the drones are in the description under the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In at 5th place the drone is FEMA Air 3 GPS drone. This quadcopter makes the list of best drones under $50 due to design and size. This quadcopter is slightly larger than a typical smartphone. And without the battery, hardly weighs anything. Due to its low mass, it is best to fly this quadcopter outside only when there is no wind. This drone flies best inside and provides a responsive and stable flying experience. This quadcopter has small rubber feet that help to soften rough landings. Recently this drone price is $32.10. This drone has superior handling performance. Ultra-long control distance, high-definition image return, discover new perspectives from different angles, record wonderful moments. It has GPS optical flow mode switching system. Indoor flight automatically recognizes optical flow mode, outdoor light automatically switches GPS optical flow dual mode. The Air 3 equipped with a 4K large-angle high-definition camera designed for aerial photography. It has strong detail performance while ensuring compact design. The drones with a camera come with powerful 3.7-volt, 1100 mAh modular batteries in the Playing Toys drone whole set, which can support a longer flight time for you. The flight time up to 13 to 15 minutes. With deep learning-based gesture recognition, you no longer rely on mobile phones. Remote control and you can easily take and self-timer with a wave of your hand. Let the Air 3 be an extension of your arm and make the control handy. The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route and the player concentrates on shooting. Find a center point and set the surround height and radius via the phone app. Connect the aircraft Wi-Fi instead of the remote control to achieve control of the aircraft. In at number 4 the drone is HGIYI G11 GPS RC drone. If you are looking to get into a flying quadcopter, then G11 can be a good choice for you. At first, this quadcopter looks like a cheap plastic model hastily put together. However, you will be impressed by its easy-to-assemble design and good flight times. Now, this drone price is $49.99. This drone has some standard packaging are. This drone has fixed hover function, headless mode, speed adjustment function, one button takes off and landing function, one button return, light flow, track flight. Fixed points around, app control, photo recording, trajectory flight function, gesture photography, gesture video, optical flow positioning, and many more. It has a 1080 pixel 4K HD camera. You can take pictures, shoot videos, and realize real-time transmission. This drone has a headless mode function. You don't need to figure out its flight direction first to avoid the crash. It has GPS intelligent follow function. After the aircraft is connected to GPS, turn on the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. GPS 1 button return. 1 button return to the takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. In its image follow mode, 1 to 5 meter from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. By its gesture shooting recognition. Within 1 to 5 meter from the aircraft, make a camera gesture for facing the camera. You can route the drone multi-point planning flight system. The aircraft flies autonomously according to a preset route and players focus on shooting. Find the center point of the circle and then move the desired circle radius with the joystick. One button takeoff and landing function make your operation more convenient and suitable for novice operation. Take photos and videos and store them directly on your phone. In number 3 the best drone is new F3 GPS 4K drone. F3 4K drone is an affordable mini drone with a camera that is great for a new user. It is equipped with features such as headless mode, altitude hold, 3-speed mode, and 1 key to take off and land. These are a helpful feature for beginners with direction and speed control. You can fly this quad indoors and outdoors. Both the quad and its controller are cool looking and well designed at this price point. Its body looks like a reptile and its controller is very comfortable. That looks and feels like a PlayStation controller. Recently this drone price is $58.69. This drone has fixed hover function, fine tuning, headless mode, speed adjustment function, one button takes off landing function, one button return, light flow, double shot switching function, app control, photo recording, trajectory flight function and many more. This drone comes with a 1080 pixel HD Wi-Fi camera. Brushless motor, strong power to the quadcopter. With the outdoor GPS positioning function, the GPS allows precise positioning and automatic position hold, ensuring better stability and safer flights. This drone equipped with auto low voltage return to home function, the drone will return to the location when the battery voltage is low. With auto signal loss return to home function, the drone will return to the location where the transmitter is when lost connection to the transmitter. It has 4-channel which can do ascend, descent, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly. It has a 6-axis gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. High-low speed, 1-key return, and headless mode functions make the fly more interesting. This drone has a powerful 7.4-volt, 1800 mAh Li-ion battery with power switch and power indicator for better control of drones. This powerful battery serves In its second place, the drone is VISUO XS818 GPS 4K drone. VISUO XS818 Mini RC drone outfitting works in GPS and optical stream arranging structure, ensures consistent and definite flight. Prevalent quality camera 4K, 5G Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, movement video photo, follow me mode, fixed point surround licenses to take aeronautical quality. High essentialness thickness lithium battery constructs power and offers 18 minutes of flight time, giving an increasingly broad flight understanding, making it an ideal present for adolescents and adults. Now, this drone price is $75.30. It is a foldable machine, with more extensive arms is to some degree greater. VISUO XS818 Mini outfitting is an unnecessarily utilitarian RC quadcopter with an amazing appearance and foldable structure. This mini RC drone can be passed on wherever at point as it is foldable, so once you are done using it, you can cover it. This mini has an awesome appearance that makes the foldable machine continuously appealing and looking unprecedented. Henceforth flexible, made of plastic and which offers a flight time of about 18 minutes by its organized 7.4-volt. 1800 mAh battery. The Wi-Fi affiliation. The 2-fold camera, follow. The optical stream mode 1 button bring the position back. Likewise, there is 1 key to land takes off, flight way, trading speed. The video signal, photo movement, MV creation, 3 control modes, including a joystick, excellent mode. The development revelation mode, drone recovery. He significant standards 4K camera with a 90-degree adaptable point. It has 5G Wi-Fi picture transmission, gets the most magnificent scenery, and offers 2 sharp pictures, giving exceptional travel. Also, it has a 20-meter indoor optical stream situating. It comes with headless mode. The 1-key return, low force return, no signed return. GPS follow me options available. In at a first place, the drone is Eachine X5RC quadcopter drone. The headline sounds pretty good, but it is not exactly true. Even if at first look, the Eachine X5 with 4K camera and up to 30 minutes battery life seems to be a great Mavic Mini alternative. It is far behind DJI's smallest foldable drone. Adopting a direct Wi-Fi connection, it has only a quarter of its rival's FPV range. Also, even if it claims to have a 4K camera without a 3-axis gimbal stabilization, your footage will be very shaky. Recently this drone price is $119.69. It has a sophisticated flight system and is equipped with a 4K HD camera. Make the control easy to use, aerial photography is handy. 4K drones allow you to record in HD and record your every time with different angles, wonderful moments. Let you stay in focus and keep good memories. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight, the process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography of the aircraft and also facilitate your access to the surrounding environment. Line monitoring, the picture back is clear and true. This drone builds in 7.4-volt, 2200 mAh powerful battery. The battery is more convenient to replace. The high-energy density lithium battery effectively increases the power consumption. Powerful, with up to 30 minutes of flight time. This drone has a gesture photo and video option. During the flight, aim at the camera of the aircraft and make the corresponding gesture. The aircraft will be self-propelled. Dynamic recognition and intelligent response, support for identifying photos or videos. This drone has a trajectory flight device. You could certainly draw a route of the show, and the quadcopter will fly in that route as you draw. This selection makes it highly smooth for novices to begin flying and fun for professional drone customers as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.